Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable battery saver on Garmin. So to disable battery saver on your Garmin, you can either use the quick control menu or the deeper system settings. So hold the light button on the top left for about 2 seconds. To open this menu, circular menu, look for the battery icon. So where it is, if you don't have the battery icon right over here, we can access. If you don't have it here, we can go here to the menu. So up button here, long press for also about some seconds, and find the power manager. So let's find it, and then here in this menu find the power manager battery saver, and then you will turn it off. And yeah, this is basically how you can turn off the battery saver. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.